Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unlock the secret to an irresistibly crispy, gooey grilled cheese sandwich. This beloved comfort food is surprisingly easy to master, and with just a few simple tips, you can transform your kitchen into a gourmet diner. We'll show you how to achieve that perfect golden crust and a deliciously melted interior every single time. Get ready to elevate your sandwich game from good to absolutely epic, creating a meal everyone will crave. Starting with the right ingredients is crucial for a superior grilled cheese experience. Opt for high-quality bread, like a sturdy sourdough or a rich brioche, which will provide an excellent texture. For the star, choose cheese that melts beautifully. Think sharp cheddar, creamy Gruyere, or even a blend for complexity. And remember, a generous, even layer of softened butter is absolutely non-negotiable for that signature golden brown crust. Prepping your sandwich is a simple yet vital step for success. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of softened, room-temperature butter onto one side of each bread slice, right to the edges. This ensures maximum crispiness. Then, place your chosen cheese generously between the unbuttered sides of the bread. Be careful not to overfill it. This ensures the cheese melts evenly without making a mess, creating the perfect melty core. Now let's talk about the actual grilling. Heat your pan over medium-low heat. This is key to allowing the cheese to melt fully before your bread burns. Place your buttered sandwich into the warm pan. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Then, gently flip it and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring both sides are perfectly crispy and the cheese is wonderfully gooey. Once your grilled cheese is perfectly golden and gooey, remove it from the pan. Let it rest for just a minute or two on a cutting board. This allows the cheese to set slightly, preventing it from oozing out too much. For that classic satisfying presentation, slice your sandwich diagonally right down the middle. Serve it immediately, piping hot. Now, take a bite and savor every crispy, melty, comforting moment of your perfectly crafted grilled cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.